tell you that I love you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle. Today we're going to get into this gorgeous bombshell 16-inch that I got from WestKiss. But first, let me show you the things that I got in my bag. I don't know what it is about a bonnet, but I love a good full bonnet. You hear me? So who is she, honey? Who is sitting on our good sis Quaffala's head right now? Look at these beautiful pink curls. And they dropped, honey, because I got it wet, and that was my fault. But here's the inside cap construction of this lace unit, and it comes with this stretchy band that is attached to the wig cap itself. I got her in a medium, and she is 16 inches of length.
Let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
But that's okay, take two. And now that I have her on, I'm just trying to see where she fits and where I might have to cut around my ears. But this hairline is so natural, I didn't have to pluck a thing. That is 13 by 6 inches of pure priming parting space.
That's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I want to let you know.
So to secure my wig, I'm going glueless as usual, but today I'm using a new product, and this is Bold Hold Reloaded by the Hair Diagram. I love her so much. I'll be watching her videos and trying to learn. So I watched her video, and you can put up to 7 layers of this stuff. So I just said, you know what, I'm just gonna do one big thick layer and smooth it out, and we see how it goes. I used my hair dryer to allow it to dry down a little bit. It wasn't really tacky. I didn't really wait. I was kind of excited, so whatever. You should probably follow the instructions.
Yeah, that really makes me wanna speak my mind.
So I pulled my lace down to where I wanted it. I'm using my rat tail comb to have my lace adhere gently into that adhesive.
I'm gonna show you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my lips, and that's how much.
And then I slap on this melting band, and then let's get to work on these sideburns.
And love you till my dying day.
So the way I'm going to style this hair is going to be very office friendly. It's very classic, okay? She's giving elegance. She's giving femme fatale, 1940s, 50s, villainess. So another thing about this particular wig is that it has been upgraded, okay? This is the 2.0 lace front wig. It's transparent lace and this hairline, pre-plucked, beautiful, perfect, natural looking. And they say it right there on the site that even though it's upgraded, it's more affordable than the normal 13 by 6 frontal wig.
My friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no, 'cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't. Looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No, no, no.
I'm going in with a little powder just to make sure that that lace blends. But you know what? I look back at this video and I was like, why didn't I just use my lace tint 100% I recommend using lace foam tint if you have it in your correct shade. It is a game changer. So one thing about these styles from the 40s and the 50s, honey, they used a lot of heat, and I bet you they didn't use any heat protectant back then. And also they used a lot of hairspray, because once that curl falls, it's got to hold all day, ma'am. Ma'am, we need more hairspray. We need some hairspray over here and some hairspray over here. And you lock it in every step of the way, okay? We're locking in that curl. That curl's not gonna fall. That curl's gonna last 6 to 8 hours. I don't know about the humidity. Freeze. Where you going, curl? Nowhere. Thank you so much for watching my video. I had so much fun making this. I hope you can tell. I really appreciate you guys stopping by. All the information for this gorgeous unit is going to be in the description box below. I love y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye guys. Love y'all.
Been a fool to live without your love. It's like I've been waiting around for you. Why did you take so long to